Hello, I am Sven, the application technician at Wineo. Today we're going to show you how to install our laminate flooring with fold-down locking technology. For the installation of our laminate flooring, we need a vapor barrier. This serves to protect against possible rising damp, and an underlay mat which reduces the impact sound. Furthermore, we need some tools such as a folding ruler, a pencil for marking, a laying aid, a rubber mallet, and a laminate cutter, or optionally a jigsaw. Now we lay our impact sound underlay at a 90-degree angle to the later top covering. Make sure that the underlay has an edge distance of approximately 5 mm. The strips of underlay mat are laid loosely together without tension. Now we start with the actual installation of our laminate flooring. We have previously looked for the largest light source as the alignment. To do this, the board is aligned lengthwise. The laminate is then laid from right-hand side to left-hand side, keeping an edge distance of 5 to 10 mm. A little tip: if you don't have any wedges at hand, the material thickness of the flooring can help. We start now, aligning the laminate with the tongue side facing the wall. We take our panel and place it approximately at 30 degrees into the groove and lay it loosely down to lock. We then continue in the row, laying it down again at 30 degrees and making sure that we lay it down as close as possible to the previous panel. Then we put the panel down with light pressure to the back and lock it in the groove. As our laminate flooring can also be laid backwards, it helps to lay the first two rows alternately to lock them in place and improve alignment. To do this, the groove side is pushed under the tongue side from behind, placed close to the previous panel again and brought down with slight pressure. It is then locked in place. At the end of each row, the panel must be shortened. To do this, we turn it 180 degrees, groove side to the wall, place it against the wall with wall clearance and mark it exactly at the decking end. This panel is also inserted into the groove at an angle of approximately 30 degrees, guided up to the previous panel and then placed and locked in place with slight pressure to the front. Once the first two rows have been laid and aligned, we now start laying the entire room. To do this, we should make sure that the butt edges are offset by 40 centimeters. If a panel does not fit straight away, a block can be used to help with the installation. The panel is locked in place with light blows. To protect your hands, a white rubber mallet is helpful. Having arrived at the last row, we now have to cut it to fit. To do this, we either take a folding ruler, measure and subtract the edge distance, or we lay the panel to be cut. Match the penultimate row exactly. We take a new panel, turn it 180 degrees, place it, press it against the wall, and use the protruding groove as a spacer for marking. The installation of the laminate surface is now complete. Just remove the spacer wedges from around the edge and remove the excess vapor control barrier film. And the surface is already ready for the skirting boards. We link you to a video. If you like the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, please write them in the comments. Thank you very much.